All right, everyone. We are at the Bend pitch conference practice, or it's not practice. I mean, it's a competition, but we're in round 2. So what we pitch today will decide if we go on to round 3, which I'm gunning for that. I don't really see any reason why we wouldn't go to the next round. So we are about to go check it out. We got here about 3 hours early, kind of to just get a feel for everything, see the layout, make sure we got here on time, all that fun stuff. Right? You know what they say, to be early is to be on time. To be on time is to be late, and to be late is unacceptable. So, that being said, we are on time. So let's go check this out a little bit, see what we got going on. So we've never been to Bend, Oregon before, first time. It seems pretty. It's hard to tell though, because there's a lot of smoke with the forest fires right now. You kind of get a sense for where we are at. So yeah, I'll let you guys know how it goes. Figure it out.